Snack Smart, a guide to healthy eating choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase, snack smart. This phrase is not just about food, but it's also about making healthy choices. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to snack smart. First, let's break down the phrase. The word snack refers to a small amount of food eaten between regular meals. Snacks are not full meals but something light and quick to satisfy your hunger temporarily. It's important to understand that snacks can be both healthy and unhealthy, depending on what you choose to eat. Now, let's focus on the word smart in this context. When we say smart, we usually refer to making wise or intelligent choices. So, in the phrase snack smart, it implies making thoughtful and healthy choices about the snacks you eat. It's not just about eating to satisfy hunger but choosing snacks that are good for your health. Snack smart is an important concept because it encourages us to be mindful of our eating habits. In a world full of fast food and unhealthy snack options, this phrase reminds us to choose healthier alternatives like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. It's about balancing taste with nutrition and making decisions that benefit our bodies in the long run. Let's look at some examples. A smart snack could be an apple instead of a candy bar, or a handful of almonds instead of potato chips. These choices provide essential nutrients and are better for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, snack smart is not just a phrase about eating. It's a lifestyle choice about prioritizing your health and well-being. I hope this video helps you make smarter snacking choices. Stay healthy and keep learning.